this is Miss Sonia Khan. Today I am going to show you this beautiful, gorgeous, glittery eye look in very simple way. So first I am taking the cake black liner which is activated with the water. You can use any gel liner you have. I am applying the liner in my lid with a brush, and then I am going to smudge it with a black shadow. You can use any palette. I am using the Tati Beauty palette, which I love the most. In my favorite eyeshadow list is number 1 is the Tati Beauty palette. It's so good. Now I am using a brown shadow to blend the black line and soften the outer area. Now I am applying the highlighting color from this palette. You can use any highlighting color highlight you have in inner corner and in the eyebrow bone. So make sure you blend it very well so you can have the nice finished look. Now I am going to apply the sequence shadow from this palette, and I am applying with my finger. Now I am applying the cake liner with a eyeliner brush in my lower waterline, and I am going to smudge it with black shadow. Now I am taking the brown shade and I am going to blend it very well until it has no harsh line. And now I am going to apply the glitter from this palette, from this Tati palette. It's very versatile palette. You can use it for natural look, glam look, whatever you want. So this is my easy way for getting the smoky eye. So I hope you guys will like it, and if you do, then please do like and share my video and comment down below what type of video you want. Thank you so much. Bye bye.